Imagine having the power of multiple AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini all in one place. No more switching between apps, no more struggling to find the best AI for your needs. What if there was a single, powerful platform that gave you access to them all? Welcome to overchat AI, your ultimate AI super app. This revolutionary platform brings together the world's best AI models, making them available at your fingertips. Whether you need writing assistance, image generation, translations, or coding help, overchat AI does it all seamlessly, efficiently, and affordably. Let's dive into why overchat AI is the future of AI-powered productivity. The power of multiple AI models in one platform. One of the biggest challenges of using AI tools today is that each model has its strengths and weaknesses. Some are better at writing, others excel at reasoning, and some are great for summarization. Overchat AI solves this problem by bringing multiple AI models together into one interface. Need deep research or creative writing? Use ChatGPT or Claude. Want precise data analysis? Gemini has you covered. Looking for AI-generated images? Dell, E3, and Recraft can create stunning visuals. No more guesswork. Just choose the best model for the task at hand and get the best possible results. AI-powered writing and content generation. If you're a writer, marketer, or content creator, overchat AI is a game changer. Need a blog post? Overchat AI generates high-quality articles in seconds. Writing emails? It crafts professional and engaging emails instantly. Creating social media content? Get catchy captions, ad copy, and hashtags effortlessly. And it's not just about generating text. Overchat AI refines and enhances your writing with grammar checks, summarization, and paraphrasing tools. Advanced AI image generation. Overchat AI isn't just about text, it also brings powerful AI image generation tools to the table. Need a logo for your business? Done. Want to create unique digital art? No problem. Need eye-catching graphics for your presentation? Overchat AI has you covered. For designers, marketers, and content creators, this feature saves time and money, eliminating the need for expensive design tools or hiring graphic designers. Multilingual support and AI translation. In today's global world, communication is key, but language barriers can slow things down. With overchat AI, you can translate content into over 25 languages in seconds. Whether you're writing an email in Spanish, translating a document into French, or chatting with a client in Mandarin, overchat AI makes it effortless. AI-powered coding and technical assistance. For developers and tech enthusiasts, overchat AI is a powerful coding assistant. Need help debugging code? Overchat AI can analyze your script and suggest fixes. Looking for quick explanations on complex programming concepts? It provides clear, well-structured answers. Want to generate code snippets for a project? Just describe what you need, and overchat AI will generate it for you. Whether you're a beginner learning to code or an experienced developer looking to optimize workflows, overchat AI makes coding faster, easier, and more efficient. Cost-effective AI access. Save money and get more. Most AI models require separate subscriptions, and costs can add up fast. Overchat AI changes the game by offering multiple AI tools in one affordable subscription. Instead of paying for multiple services, one for writing, another for image generation, another for translations, you get everything in one place at one price. This makes overchat AI a cost-effective solution for individuals and businesses looking to maximize their productivity without overspending. Privacy, security, and accessibility. We all know that privacy and data security are major concerns when using AI. That's why overchat AI prioritizes user privacy and data security by encrypting interactions and complying with global data protection regulations. Additionally, it's accessible across web, desktop, and mobile, ensuring you can use it anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at the office, on the go, or working remotely, overchat AI is always there to assist you. Conclusion: the future of AI productivity is here. overchat AI isn't just another AI tool, it's a game-changing, all-in-one AI super app that brings together the best of artificial intelligence in one powerful, easy-to-use platform. Multiple AI models in one app, AI-powered writing, summarization, and paraphrasing, advanced AI image generation, multilingual translation and communication tools, coding